Hello friends, welcome to my channel Vidisha's Creations. In this session, I will tell you how to make landscape with coffee. Okay, so first of all, we will draw as always the materials, pencil, eraser and sharpener, some soft brushes. It's up to you. If you are comfortable with flat brushes, then you can use flat brush. If you are comfortable this round brush, then you can use round brushes. Any coffee powder, okay, any coffee powder. You need some water. You need one palette जिसमें आप colors को mix करेंगे. So let's start. First of all, we will draw. Suppose this is landscapes. So first I am putting masking tape around the paper. Okay, then you will get clean and neat border. After the finishing your work, you will get very neat and clean border around the picture. Okay, that's why I am putting the masking tape over there. If you don't have masking tape, you can use any other tape or you can draw the line, but you have to careful if you will draw the line, because you have to be inside this line. That's why I am putting the tape. Now my base is ready. So first of all, I am making some, just we need to put very light hand pencil. This is sun portion. Okay, we will draw only the landscape, no house and all, then you can understand. This is some mountains. Right now you are not able to see because I am sketching, but when we will start the coloring, then you can see, because it's a pencil work. Okay, now we will one tree over there. This is the, you can make it little thick. Okay, there are some mountains, there are some trees, birds, we can make it directly, and this is the river portion. So let's start. First of all, we will start with the river portion and the sky. Okay, so again I have three shades. First I am using the lightest shade, see this one, okay, lightest shade of the coffee, and just make the, start from there, just make some lines over there like this. Again you can make some lines over there like this only. That portion should be empty. Don't take any color on that portion. Okay, now I am taking the dark shade of the darkest shade of the coffee painting. darkest shade. So I am putting my color like this, slowly, just you have to make. Just you can tap over there. Just draw some lines to make the branches like this. Okay, on this side also just make the line. This is the tree line. Just fill it with the tapping. Don't stretch your brush. This is some branches. Like this. Okay, now see, now I'm taking second shade of the coffee and just make some tapping like this only to make mountain. There are mountains, just do like this. You have to mix like this. Don't make the lines, don't tapping, just make it like this. Okay, again take little bit of this shade, mix it in this, and just otherwise you can take water and spread it like this. Okay, again take this shade, otherwise if color is more, then you can use water to dilute this and mix it. Okay, again I am taking this shade and make it like this. You can use thick brush to make this, it will be easy for you. And you can make one more mountain like this, and you can fill it like this. Okay, now just let it get dry. Till then I am using this fan brush to make the tree. Just take the darker portion of this thing and just like this. Okay, just dip your brush in the coffee and just make it like this. Okay, just take the fan brush. If you don't have fan brush, then you can use any rough round brush or flat brush and do it like this. Okay, just make it here also. Like this. Okay, now this is our river portion. Now take again this flat brush, okay, dip it here and just make it like this here, and just draw some lines over there. Or you can make this thing to with your round brush or flat brush. Okay, it's totally up to you. I'm comfortable with fan brush, that's why I'm using fan brush. Okay, now I'm taking the lightest shade of this coffee and just fill it. Even you can make this process before making these trees. It's up to you. And just do Even it's better you will make this portion first, then you can tap, then you can make the tree. Okay, like this. You have to maintain this circle to make, don't put any color over there. Okay, that's done. Now I'm taking the darkest shade of the coffee painting, or you can make it more dark. So I'll take some more coffee. Where is my spoon? It is not there. Okay. I am putting little bit coffee. It's better you will use spoon. I'm not getting my spoon, that's why I'm doing it directly. See, just mix it, because if the darkest shade, you can take water from there because it's already coffee. Okay, now I got the darkest shade of this coffee painting. Just make this stone out, mountain outlines like this. Like this, okay. After that, just put some color over there. Like this. Okay. Now just take the darkest shade and make some, it is not the darkest, even the paper is wet, that's why. Till then we will do something else. Like you can make some grass portion here. Like this. Okay. Now just make some bird with the darkest shade of the coffee. Like this. You can make for one word over here. Okay. Now take your simple brush and just do 2 to 3 lines over there. That's it. Okay. Now your landscape is ready. The method is same. Color mixing process is same. Just imagine your own creation and make anything with the coffee. Method should be same. Even your color mixing will be same, and you can make your creation. So after this landscape, we will make some figure in this in next episode. So till then, do practice. Stay safe. Take care. Bye.